Just like, you know, when your taste buds change, it's kind of like that, except like my likes and dislikes changed. I don't know, maybe. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a kind of a different type of video. So as you can tell from the title, this video is about why I stopped watching makeup tutorials on YouTube, but still watch certain ones. Alright, let's talk about that. That's probably confusing. So, you know, I follow a lot of beauty YouTubers, of course, because I love beauty. I'm into beauty. I'm into makeup. I'm into hair, skincare, any of that. I love it. But recently, I've been just kind of bored of good old makeup tutorials. Like, I've literally just been like scrolling past them. I'm like, oh, new makeup tutorial, scroll, up, new makeup tutorial, scroll. And it's not really like, so this is where I'm kind of torn, because I watch the ones that are more get ready with me and they show you how they do their like everyday makeup, or they do like you know, first impressions video. They give you their honest review on the product. Or like, I watch a lot of Chatty videos because I feel like she does that. Like, she has a lot of new products that she tries out and that she gives her honest review on them. And I definitely love watching those type of makeup tutorials. Now, the ones that I don't watch are just like the ones that seem fake and repetitive, and it's just like the same thing over and over again. So one of the reasons why I think, or one of the reasons why I know that I stopped watching them is probably because I'm older now. When I started watching them, I was like, you know, late teens, early 20s, so I was really into the whole makeup thing. I was in college, you know, just trying to get new, like everything was just new and fresh about 10 years ago. And not everybody was doing it. It wasn't repetitive. It wasn't boring. It was just new and interesting because I could get all these makeup tips from all these people who like were amazing at it. And I'm not saying they're not still amazing. They're just so many. Like, I feel like YouTube is like oversaturated with makeup tutorials. And obviously everybody watches different people, but you know, the big ones, everybody watches them. The number two reason is I feel like they look staged and overly edited, and just everything is the same. And which brings me to point number three, is that the makeup is literally the same. I mean, no matter what look they do, they're always gonna have contour, they're always gonna have a highlight, they're always gonna have a strong brow, they're always gonna have big plumpy lips, you know, just those are the main things, and they're in every video, and I'm just tired of that. And like, they're always, I don't know, it all seems the same to me, and that's why I'm bored of it. And I'm just kind of like, you know, it's great for young people because they can learn so many new techniques and everything, but I feel like I've seen it all. Like, I've literally seen it all. And then don't get me started with those putting makeup on with like food items. Like, who does that? Why? That's just for views. That's literally just for views. But yeah, I think those are the reasons why I stopped watching makeup tutorials. And also, this is such like controversial video because like, I stopped watching them, but then when it's someone that I like I love their personality or something, then I would watch that video, that makeup tutorial. And I started getting more into like watching vlogs, watching like haul videos. I love watching haul videos, watching like unboxing videos. I love those. Just like more like lifestyle type videos. I think that's what I'm into now. And yeah, I mean, I still love beauty. Well, that's kind of my rant, guys. I don't know. So this isn't a video about like how I hate makeup tutorials or how I hate beauty or how I hate, because I love all of that. I just like, as of right now, cannot get back into watching like makeup tutorials like all the way through. Like, sometimes I'll click on it and I'm like, ooh, let me see how they got to that, and then I'll just watch like little snippets of it, like their foundation or how they did their eyebrows or how they did their eye look, but I never watched the whole thing. So, but yeah, this isn't like a hateful video about how I don't like them or I think they're terrible people. It's just a video about how I just am not recently in the mood to watch those type of videos anymore. And I wanted to see if anybody else out there is in the same boat. Like, if you are in the same boat, if you're like bored of watching makeup tutorials, let me know in the comments below. And let me know if you're like older, like me. I'm acting like I'm so old. But like if you're like in your like 20s, 30s, or you know, older, or if you're younger, if you're like a teenager, then if you're kind of bored of watching tutorials too, I don't know. And I'm talking about those like super staged, super edited, like super over the top makeup tutorials. I'm not talking about like your everyday makeup tutorial, get ready with me kind of stuff, because I love those type of things. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button right here. I think it's here. One of those sides. I think it's here, or maybe here. You can see it. Just click it. Let's be friends. I'll see you guys in my next one, hopefully soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.